This moment right now is so special to me because 8 years ago I made my first vision board, and on that vision board I said I want to have a business where I have 25 employees, I have all this inventory and stock that we can service, 20 houses a day. And one of my goals was to buy my mom her dream car, which at the time was a yellow Corvette. And one of the biggest goal that I had in there also, two of them was one to run a full marathon, which I'm 50 pounds over, so that's not happening anytime soon, but I hope to do it by the end of this year. But the biggest one was to repay my boss, my old boss from 10 years ago, who taught me so much about life, about selling, about business. And he says to me, "Joey, if you ever make it big, you gotta buy me a Rolls." I said, "I'll do it, Jerry. If you make me big, I'll buy you a Rolls. And one day, man, I'll do it." And for the last several years, I've kept that on the top of my goal list because it's one that I've just never been able to achieve. And right now, I'm buying Jerry a Rolls. Jerry Lederer, thank you for all of your advice. Thank you for all your help and your support over the years. I appreciate you more than you could ever know. Well, this is it. I'm leaving my hotel room, and I'm going downstairs to the lobby to finally hand over the keys to the Rolls Royce. Here it is. I've been waiting since 2012 to do this. Here comes Jerry's car. So this is Jerry.
Hey! Yeah, this is the man, the man that keeps his honor. Unbelievable.
So this is Jerry, my mentor over here. This guy he just paid for my hotel room and dinner last night. This guy does everything for me.
And he just gave me a Rolls Royce. I think if we're counting, and I'd like not to count, I'm a little ahead in this balancing out act.
Well, I don't know. He gave me all the knowledge and information that I needed to be able to afford a Rolls Royce to be able to give you. So thank you. So I'm the one that's winning here.
Have that positive attitude, stay focused, and plan it out. And you will find that you will not only be a better person, but happiness will come your way.
There you go. And there he goes. Awesome.